Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable rear collision warning on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to vehicle settings. Here we're going to go to the driver assistance and we want to swipe through the lateral safety, and right at the bottom we should see our rear safety. So here we have our rear collision warning. Now it will detect rear collision danger while you're driving. So as you guys can see, whenever we are driving and someone's getting too close, basically it will try and give us an alarm, and also it will try and speed up a little if if everything's just okay in front of him. So that's how you guys can disable it, enable it, and that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.